Good morning. My name is Angela Gisela Ramirez. Today I am going to talk about WhatsApp. It is an app that allows you to message quickly, read, accurately, and safely through the internet. It is very popular and used by all people globally. Its function is very useful if what we want is to communicate from one country to another in a matter of seconds. It does not have payment for message and they use it unlimited. The possibilities of WhatsApp vary depending on the phone or device we have. There are models that add a basic version and other more advanced ones. There are versions for Android, Mac, for Android iPhone, Windows for and Windows Desktop. Mm, The application allows, in addition to that, to send photos, audio, and video. It has direct access to conventional calls. We are charged by the contracted telephone operator and to WhatsApp call or even video call. We are transmitted over the internet and can either be free if we are connected to Wi-Fi or consume data. You can customize the application, use Americans or Black user among others. In general, setup is straightforward. It is also possible to share our localization with the user with what we connect. Thank you.